Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change language settings. First, open your device's main settings. Next, find the section related to language and input, or region. From there, you can easily choose your desired language from a comprehensive list. This simple process ensures your device communicates with you in your preferred tongue, making your user experience much more intuitive and comfortable. For desktop computers, like those running Windows, begin by opening your system settings. Look for Time and Language, then select Language. You can add a new language pack and then set it as your primary display language. Remember, a quick restart of your computer is often necessary to ensure all applications and system elements update to your chosen language seamlessly. Changing the language on your mobile device is quite straightforward. Access your phone's Settings app, then typically find System and Languages and Input. Here, you'll see a list of installed languages. Simply drag your preferred language to the top of this list. Your phone will usually update immediately, providing a more personalized and accessible experience right away. Even your web browser has its own language settings, independent of your operating system. To adjust this, open your browser settings or preferences menu. Search for Language or Languages within the options. You can then add new languages and arrange them by preference, ensuring websites display content in your chosen language whenever possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.